What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat, to be the first to know exactly when my videos go live. So I got a package in the mail from Stratified Automotive, and I am on my way to my buddy's house so we can get started on this install. So what goodies did I order for the RS this time? Well, I ordered an ETS intake system. We're getting rid of the Mountune intake, so if you want to purchase it, there's nothing wrong with it. I'm just parting ways with it. I'm going with a different direction. So if you'd like to purchase it, go ahead and contact me on either Instagram or Snapchat. Once again, here's the link. So I know this is a pretty popular intake to have on the RS, but for the life of me, I cannot find an install video. So that's why we are going to make an install video step by step on how to install this intake today. And just for a little comparison on intake noise, let's go ahead and do a little poll. I don't know if you can hear that over the exhaust, but that is the Mountune cold air intake. I will do a couple of revs when I have the hood open for you guys so you can hear exactly how that intake sounds. It sounds fantastic. Once again, if you're interested in purchasing it, go ahead and hit me up on either Instagram or Snapchat. Alright, so first things first, we're going to remove these worm clamps if we have the right size. Of course, we're switching over from the Mountune system, so it's going to be a little different than stock. Remove this clip. And pull the air box up. Not using this air box, so there's no reason to keep it in. Next up, we do have to remove the sensor. Turns counterclockwise and then wiggle it out. Again, for sale. Another broken bolt. Alright guys, so now it's time to get installing. get to the clamp now?
Yes, I'm going to use the extension. Like that guy always has his motorcycle on, it never goes anywhere. Right?
For real?
Oh shit.
Is this the right size? It's like it's not starting, huh?
I got it. Probably what, 30? What was that? 25 you had or
I
20?
think that was a 20. So it's a 25.
Well, that's not going anywhere. Like that's more sturdy too than the other one I had on.
I need to loosen that.
And push it over. Come on. Hey. Flip it so ETS is facing up. You have it all the way up like this, or does it need a gap?
I would assume it doesn't matter.
Okay, let's put it all the way up.
Actually, we'll put the filter on and get a good placement before we cut in that part now. Yeah, that's not popping out. Shit, I put it on upside down. Oh well, it's easy to take this part off.
Yeah, and if you need to remove it, just take it off this shit.
Is that how it goes? I feel like it should be in front of this, right?
Alright, just tighten this one up. Cool. There's your sensor. There you go.
Alright guys, and just like that, it's that easy to install the ETS intake system. I definitely recommend it. Let's get it started and hear a couple of revs. And it looks amazing. Saves a lot of room in the engine bay. All right, you guys, a pretty simple install. It took probably 20 minutes at the most, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. I definitely suggest the ETS intake. It's a great system. It's probably the best intake on the market, simply because the elbow that goes to the stock air box is 3 inches instead of 2.5. So that's a big upgrade in itself. That's the main reason why I went for it. It's proven to be the only intake on the market to have a horsepower gain. Sure, the Mountune unit did look much better, but we're all about performance here, so that's why we went with it. So again, hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on the new system. And if you're interested in my Mountune unit, go ahead and shoot me a DM on either Snapchat or Instagram right here. And of course, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out.
Yeah, boy.